so fine. Y'all, if y'all want to date famous,
bruh.
If y'all want to date famous, what they got to do to date you famous?
Viewer discretion is advised.
Of course, I love the llamas.
Nice and silky smooth.
Look what I'm doing. Look what we're doing. First of all, let's talk about the time. It is freaking 10:10 at night. Famous and I are putting LED lights in my car.
What? Bruh.
Why? I don't know. What we doing is Famous. Yeah, look what he got. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Him got his mama name on him neck. That is just too cute. But anyways, I'm getting turquoise lights put in my car. If y'all don't know.
What?
My favorite color is turquoise. So, that's what I'm getting put in my car. Oh, I just hit something. Uh-oh. What I hit. So I'm playing my music, but uh-oh. My phone is just, my car is just exposing everything right now. So this is a late nighter.
Okay, well, your thing don't like, wait a minute. There you go.
I don't know what even. Now, when this cord, what I'm gonna do with the cord?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the cord. Here the one right here on my, let me cover. Can y'all see it? That's the one I'm about to get. This turquoise.
Alright, then this.
So is it gonna stay?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm just trying to hide the cord.
Yeah, he is really hooking me up. Yeah, now you gonna be talking to y'all. You gonna say what's up to the vlog, Famous?
What's up? I don't know.
So,
well, that's for that side. That's all I can get because our car is different. I didn't know that you can't lift your thing up like that.
no. So he about
As
to.
long as they just don't kick it. Well, so.
Yeah,
That would look better.
yeah, can y'all? Yeah, it's so dark, but that is just like too darn cute. Like, who in the what in the one-way family is this?
Bruh.
Okay, now he's on. Oh, look, the color pink. Okay, y'all yellow. I can't stand this light. Yellow, red,
Alright, so you
green.
gotta stick it on the bottom of your. Well, we don't have to.
So we gotta switch, y'all. So hold on. I'm gonna stop the vlog because Famous has to put it on the other side. And it's dark. I know it's dark. Y'all forgive us. It's late outside. Hold on, gang. Hold on.
12 seconds later.
Car look way better. Give it some.
Now he about to do this side.
Oh, snap.
He about to hook my little car up, y'all. I know it's late as ever. How do I turn the flashlight on? Hold on, gang. Let me see if I can turn this. How do you turn a flashlight on? I don't know. I don't know.
I don't
I don't know. Oh, hold on, y'all. Oh, is that better? I think that's too bright, y'all. I think that's too bright, Famous. Is that too bright?
Oh, it's starting to stick a little.
Uh-oh. He said something's starting to unstick, so he's trying to put it down here in the bottom of my little car.
No, I'm trying to like.
Y'all, I'm gonna be driving, styling, and profiling. It be just so much going on. It's better to have lights in your car, you know? And plus, this is a trend. Ain't this a trend? Ain't this what y'all do?
Okay.
Oh, I like that right there. Am I gonna kick it down? I don't know. Let's just pray I don't kick it down.
Well, I might just put it going down like this. So I can yours. I can't hide your cord as much as I can hide mine.
Should I hide it under my rug? Will it fit under my rug? I just hope I don't kick it. What you can can pull it further back.
Wait, what you mean?
Can you like pull it? Yeah, pull it back some.
Like nothing that I can.
Oh, it's just that piece.
Yeah,
What in the one-way family for real, gang? What in the one-way family is this?
Bruh.
Maybe I can do something. Maybe I can take something. Y'all might have to take it and tuck it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure
So
out.
it sit in place. I do like it.
Because it's definitely sticky. It's just
It's sticking.
This is your surface.
I'm trying to. Oh, and it's thick.
Yeah,
The strip is thick.
there you go.
Oh, it's down.
Well, I just can't hide the cord as much, but that's just good.
Ooh, y'all. Oh, I like that. I like that blue. I think I like the blue. Oh, he gonna close the door, y'all.
So the lights.
He closing the door. And now y'all can't see me. So, hold on. I'm gonna have to get in the car.
Change it to yourself now.
All right, y'all. So, hold on. Because I am in the car.
Change it to yourself.
And I got a button. So, he telling me to... Wait. Yeah, my car. Okay, hold on.
So all you do, twist it.
Ooh, blue. Yeah, what y'all think about the blue?
And then you gotta get some. Well, mine's came with 4, so mine's come with the ones that come with the 2 front and they can come under my back seat, so it's gonna have lights in the back too.
So, how do I turn
Twist
it?
it. No, you twist it.
Oh, I gotta twist the button. Okay,
Yeah,
y'all, that's green. What y'all think about the green? Green, blue. That is turquoise. Y'all can barely
And
see.
then you can push this button right
Can
here.
y'all see the turquoise? Wait, I'm trying
Turn your
to.
flash on. No, your flash making it.
Oh, he said the.
Your flash making it.
All right, we back. So that is pink. Wait. Yeah. Can y'all see any of that down there?
Say what?
The colors is really not showing. My car gonna be lit at night. Lit, just lit, just
See
lit.
this blue match this blue.
Yeah, I'm trying to move my feet so y'all can like actually see what's going on. But and then my car is dirty. Don't judge me, y'all. If y'all want to come vacuum my car,
Yep, that's fine.
y'all can vacuum one way mama's car. But yeah, so Famous just hooked me up. Thank you, Famous.
Thank you.
Thank you, Famous. I am officially legit. Now we gotta go to his car because he is about to put his lights on his car. And y'all, look at this. I'm out of hand sanitizer. Can somebody please send me? Can y'all send me some hand sanitizer, please, and thank you. Okay. I'll be back. I'm about to go over to Famous' car. I don't know if he'll let me vlog in his car, but I actually like the colors. I just don't know how to turn it off at night. All right, so now Famous is in. If y'all can hear me, Famous is in his car. He about to do his thing in his car. He gave me his old lights, y'all, so look at Famous in him car. In him big old TV, y'all. Y'all don't even know. This boy got the biggest TV in his car to be 17. And he got his car for Christmas, so if he lets me in, he let me in, gang. His car is leather. Can you get the little twine so I can sit down, family? Okay. Alright, so y'all, I'm surprised he let me vlog in his car. But look at this boy's TV. Show him what you're working with. You can't get it in there?
Try to put this in there.
Okay.
Try to put it in there. I'm not tripping.
Ouch.
Oh, you got it.
Ow. I smashed my fingernail.
Look at it.
That's pretty.
Close the door.
Y'all, here's this.
Mine's off the app.
Here's, oh, he got an app. He gonna give me something with a remote. I mean, with a freaking, with a button. I'm not mad at my button, but you got the remote, Famous, on your phone.
Yeah, I got it from.
Famous, can you please show them? Can you show them your He texted one of his girlfriends.
I was putting a name for him.
Oh, he moved fast, y'all. Show him your TV screen. Y'all, he be watching y'all. He be watching us on his. Can you show them? Can you go to just the one way? Can we see the one-way on your car? He get the
Bruh.
notifications, y'all. It's so funny. He get the notifications on his phone, and then it go to his car, so he can actually watch his own content from his car. Now who's sleeping, y'all? Because I know.
I'm trying to. Oh wait, so where's the?
I know daggone well I can't watch no daggone TV.
It's updating right now, but I can change it for you.
Uh-oh, y'all. We gonna have to stop. We gonna have to stop the vlog, y'all, because of copyright. Famous trying to get us a copyright.
Oh my God.
Oh, he turned it off. Say bruh.
Bruh.
I'm trying to. I gotta pause it.
So he waiting on his. Oh, he playing. Wait, he was playing. His music was playing from one of his apps. Now he about to go back to. Let me pause or something, y'all. So, what y'all think?
Why?
That's what you listening to?
Why?
And he gave whatever this is a thumbs up, y'all. That's what Famous listening to. We want to see the channel.
Oh.
His car being funny. I was going to show y'all my car right in front of his, but if I do that, then it's going to be showing the plate. Charlie, y'all ain't about to get the plates in my car so y'all can come to my house. Ain't that right, Famous? So y'all look. He can actually watch his own content. Can you go to your own channel? Yeah, he can go to his own channel. He typing it in. I'm probably getting on his nerves. He probably like, this was not a part of the vlog. I know, Famous. And I just don't like that it's so blurry. I think when you do camera on camera or camera on light, it messes up your vlog. Like it just looks so blurry. Like, why is it so blurry? Let me see if I can fix this. Am I fixing this? Did I just do anything to the camera? I don't know.
So let me see. Hold on.
I don't know what I just did to the camera, y'all. I did something. But y'all see? He just typed in the wrong channel name. No. He typed in One Way Family. Y'all comment below. Do y'all see that? Famous. What's the name of your channel? Y'all, Famous just typed in the wrong channel.
It'd be the first thing that pop up.
Oh, well, this one, y'all, we just posted this one. This one ain't got no content. I have to go in and add some tags and description and blah, blah, blah. Maybe because it's this time of the day. So it's 10 o'clock at night. It dropped at around 8:30. It's not doing well yet. I'm not sure why, but I know y'all gonna show us some love and support. If he wanna play it, I think he just hit it. Oh, did we hit it?
My light's still on. My thing's still on. Yeah, from the room.
What happened?
My color's still saved from my room because I got the same brand.
Oh, y'all, look at that thumbnail. Willie mama. Oh, okay. So then y'all look. Y'all don't be skipping our commercials. Can you tell your subscribers stop skipping our commercials?
Hold on, let me turn this back on real quick. This chorus tangled up.
Famous so fine. Y'all, if y'all want to date Famous, if y'all want to date Famous, what they got to do to date you, Famous? Because he is very
No. Oh, that's why I can't get it. It's still.
Famous is a great kid, y'all. He is about to be a senior in high school. He got his own car. He works his full-time job. He don't. What the? He's still going, y'all. I think I gotta get out. You want me to get out so you can finish?
No, you good.
Yeah, hold on. This camera, it be this camera for me. Hold on. Y'all hear that? Y'all will be able to see it if Famous didn't have his door open, but he in the back putting his lights in.